Nandish Thakur. Nandish Thakur patient. So number 73. Yes. Yes.
One, you have also rightly observed that none of the documents are of those documents which were attached with that list of names which was being argued by.
All are of July 2021.
One thing
Yes.
which again one page if might not be kindly have a look at. Page 8 of the compilation. The policy stipulates that the builder has to pay the interim transit accommodation till the PU permission is granted and the residence units are already given to the occupants. The agreement stipulates, which I think the corporation should have also checked. Condition stipulates that once the file is put for PU permission, transit accommodation will stop. So that is also again one thing against the policy.
Yes.
None of the consents which are produced are bearing any date.
Yes.
The witness are those two persons which I had stated before an auction, that those two persons are the one who are handling the project.
Yes.
And one more important relevant factor which has got today and now, these affidavits. Now there are 17 persons named. I am just giving the copy to the other side. But there are 17 persons in this very compilation.
Yes.
I have the first affidavit of Mr. Chabda Mangal Singh.
Yes.
On the second page, there is an affidavit wherein 1 to 11 points are the very they are the person who are given the consent who has vacated the premises. But I am agitating since day one that none of the documents, none of the information are given to me.
Yes.
And the very same grievances of those persons also who have been shifted.
What is
out.
this affidavit?
This affidavit states that these informations are not given to them. I may read if your lordship want. But first point says that Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation developers so and so संस्था के व्यक्ति द्वारा
This affidavit has been filed before which authority?
No, it has been just executed. It is not
For
filed
what
before.
purpose? Who is Mr. Chabra?
But is one of the persons who is the owner and occupier of the premise who has shifted out. He has given the consent. That consent is produced by.
So unfortunately, today what is happening is at the stage of order now. These are the things which are being.
Yes,
No, these documents are given.
Neither the petitioners
This is nothing
nor
but
they
an
have
attempt
they have
to
nothing to do with
maybe
the matter, ma'am.
twist the authority.
This
They are
is
not
something
before
which is
your
unfair
lordship.
and in my respectful submission.
Matter is argued as if 400 petitioners are there, whereas
But
only
these are
40
the
are.
documents. These documents are submitted after the hearing was done. Therefore, I am just answering to those documents, nothing more.
No,
But the agitation I can understand of my
this
learned friend.
document has any connection with the.
It has been also. My lord, may kindly have a look at page these points which are I am agitating before a lordships today. That this information is not given, not supplied, is now confirmed by one of the allottees who has moved out. He also today does not have any document in his hand.
But then it is for that.
Para
person
12,
to
my
come-
lords, may kindly
But
for a
then it is
minute.
for- Your client has not taken any authority on his behalf.
Yeah.
Right?
No, ma'am.
Then
They are
how you can produce?
they
all
are
these
ready to file an
documents?
affidavit before this
Yes.
honorable court due to paucity
Now
of
no
time. my
further
lord.
affidavit. Or else the statement has to be discontinued by Mr. Yes.
I leave it to you. Otherwise, just my lords, may have a look at point number 12, not beyond that.
No, Mr. Patel, I think the court has sufficiently heard you. I can understand your documents. This gentleman has nothing to do with the
No,
proceedings which are
my lord,
pending.
these are the very persons, 7 out of
In fact,
17
efforts
persons.
are being made after
Just
the
a
filing
minute.
of the petition. I'm just
Just a minute.
I'm
These
just surprising
documents-
additional fact to the
Lordship, these
honorable
are
court.
the people who have taken transit allowance, who are living elsewhere at
That
the
is
cost
what
of
that is what I
redevelopment.
pointed out. I don't understand
The irony is that although we should not bring these issues before your lordship, this litigation is possibly being used to,
In fact,
Whereas they are saying something beyond which is beyond the record. They have not been able to satisfy lordships on a single point.
Yes. But
And
for
they
that
cannot
you have
just say
already-
that I am every time they say only one thing that I have some other intention. They are not answering any single query in this
Yes.
petition. Lord.
But then you have placed on record sufficient documents.
But I have
64,
placed on
65.
record,
Yes, then
my
why?
lord, this
You should-
compilation
You
was
should
received.
argue only on the basis or on the
I am
strength
just
of the
point-
documents which you have produced.
I am just pointing
Yes,
out
why
this
to
why
expand the scope of the
I am
petition?
not expanding.
Yes,
now,
it has
I-
nothing to do with this petition.
But for a minute, if my lord may kindly,
Yes.
well, this compilation has come apropos to your lordship's query.
Yes,
This compilation bears a list of 17 persons.
yes. For
These
that
two
you have already
persons-
made a submission that these documents are of recent, of recent.
But because the
date.
important point is the consent. The person says that the consent is obtained by by them
So
saying
then,
that your light connection and water connection will be removed if you don't move out. That is how the consents are obtained.
no, but then
But-
who is a
But
person?
my
who's to-
contention in the petition
Who is the
is,
person to make the grievance?
but they are the persons who are making the grievance. But these affidavits are
They are not before
executed.
this court.
They are not
Neither they
before,
have authorized you to.
but they are ready to file an affidavit in support of my petition. That
No,
is
but
what my
now,
submission.
why now? Yes.
I leave it to
expanding
Lordship to
the scope
accept it
of-
or not. I am
This
just drawing
can't
your
be-
Lordship's attention that this is what it happened.
I can understand you requested in the morning that you would like to say something, so whether this document is concerned.
I'm saying,
Yes.
sir, this is my case that none of the documents. My
Yes,
point is that
Yes.
my learned friend, now I'm not saying on this affidavit.
yes. Pachua,
Now I'm not saying on this affidavit. Your Lordship very well recollect. We
yes.
were, the only document today was relied by them to show that
You
the
want to say
survey.
anything as regards this compilation?
I'm saying about that only.
Yes.
9/12/2019 is that survey report. That
Yes.
survey report was bearing a chart of persons. Your Lordships asked a very pertinent query that whether this document was any other documents were enclosed with this list. My
Yes.
learned friend said that all the documents which were collected, one original and two Xerox duplicate copies, were attached with that list, and there are many in numbers, and therefore he could not produce it before your Lordships. Your Lordships asked that provide the compilation of sample. One
Just only
sample of,
wanted the specimen copy of the documents.
but that is what they have not produced. What we are looking at, my lord, may kindly have a look at that letter.
Page 132, please come to page 132.
Yes,
This is what you are referring to?
please. The letter dated 9/12/2019.
Yes, 9/12/2019 is the, along with the affidavit of the corporation. Please find the original form and two set of the duplicate of all the documents of Khokra old. So on and so
Your
forth.
Lordship asked my learned friend to provide a sample copy of what was collected
Yes.
on that very day.
Yes,
But now what is provided before the Lordships today
yes.
are the consent, the agreements,
2021.
these documents. From none of the documents, it can be made out that these were attached with this.
Yes, it can't be because these affidavits are of the
Yes, Your Honor.
July 2020.
Please, Your Lordship. That is what I wanted to draw Lordship's attention.
Lordship, very simply, page 132 was mere
Mr.
Lordship.
The court did not ask you to submit the affidavits which were executed in the month of July 2020.
Lordship.
The court had asked you that
Right.
please provide a specimen copy of the documents which were along with this communication of 9th of December 2020.
Right.
Not the recent documents. Perhaps this was hardly fair on your part to have dumped everything
No, no,
in the court proceedings. You see, after you with the dates.
Lordship, I have
Yes.
I have a parallel copy.
Yes,
I-
please see
I
the
got-
dates.
Lordship, it is of
No.
July, 3rd July
Then
2020.
you should, how you could have produced it. on the
Lordship,
record.
this
What the
very
court
issue-
asked you to produce. it.
Lordship, in a moment, this
No, Mr. Val, please just clarify
Lordship,
that the court asked you to provide a specimen copy of the documents which were annexed along with the letter dated 3rd December 2019.
Lordship, that very issue had come up
Yes.
during hearing. Please see 133. This
Did the
was,
court ask you that you please provide this recent copies of the affidavit?
Lordship, please allow me to clarify.
No, but why that explanation should come from you?
No, because
Yes.
the query of the honorable court, query documents of 2019 was already, I'll show the court why,
No,
133.
then why did you produce this documents on the record?
If I may only
And the
submit
court
in a
did not ask you to
what
produce
what
this.
what
Yes.
the honorable court had indicated was that the honorable court was desirous of seeing a specimen which allowed the court
Specimen
to
copy
see
of
what
which
homework was done.
Mr. Wade,
Lordship.
which documents?
Lordship, please see 133. It will be clear
Yes.
immediately.
Yes.
132 is the covering letter.
Yes, what is the covering letter? What is the date of the covering letter?
Respected sir, with reference to the subject cited above, please find original documents
Yes.
and two set of duplicate copy with all documents of Khokra Old Municipal Slum Quarter TP 25
Yes,
FP
so what were
30.
the documents which were supposed to come
Sir,
to the
sir,
court?
please see 133. It,
Yes.
why this had come up in the course of arguments. This was not a list of who had agreed and who had not agreed. This was a list of all the people staying there along with their identification documents. Therefore, the last column
Then
was
these arguments you should have made on that day.
Lordship, I had
Yes,
submitted
yes,
this. This
then,
was
then
submitted.
what was the reason for you to?
Lordship, because as we had
yes.
understood it, the Honorable Court
You,
was
you,
heading.
Mr.
Please,
Abid, you also made a request that you are tendering this document.
Lordship.
But you did not say that these are the documents which had no connection with the communication of 2019. You just simply requested this court that I am, as per the direction of this court, I am tendering this compilation. Then you
Lordship,
should have clarified this aspect on that very day.
Lordship, with immense respect, I must
Yes.
apologize if I
Yes.
have exceeded page 133. But
Yes.
when we were arguing the matter at page 133, this very argument was made by my learned friend, and
Yes.
it was clarified. In
The
fact,
court
it
was
has,
not asking from you any documents, the recent documents or the affidavits executed by the resident or the unit holders.
Lordship, what
Yes.
we had understood, we were required to submit to the
No,
court was
Mr. Thakur
up-
has rightly understood.
the
That's why he is making a submission. That
the
is
bona fides
relevant
of
documents.
the
Yes.
bona fides that were required to be shown was that there is documentation for each of those 400 units who have consented for redevelopment. And so
stated
in
by
support
the
thereof,
council.
we made these submissions.
You were supposed to provide the documents or the specimen copy of the consent or other documents which were executed by the private party with the unit holders.
Lordship, with this
Yes.
letter at 133, nothing could have been there because 133
Then
was
you should
only.
have, on that day, on that very day, you should have made the submission that this is the only document
Lordship,
along with the list.
with-
And no
with-
other documents are there.
With immense respect,
Yes.
at 133, when this issue had come up,
Yes.
we had submitted that this was only Aadhaar card and Aadhaar. We had to identify who stays where.
Why did you agree then for placing on record the specimen copy of the documents which were never existing?
Lordship, no, these documents existed before the writ petition was filed.
Yes,
Writ petition
But
was
not at
filed,
the
if I am
time
not
of-
mistaken,
not
in
at
the
the
last
time-
week of July.
not at the time of executing the communication dated 9th of December 2019. Yes.
Lordship, with immense respect, these documents
This is
existed
for the
before the
third time
filing
you
of
are
the writ
saying
petition.
this, making a reference of immense respect, Mr. I just wanted the reply to this query, that these documents were not relevant. Yes.
Lordship, this can be my only submission because when page 132 was
Then let
issued
us
to
not,
me,
the court is not going to refer to this
Please.
compilation. because
Lordship,
it has
this was
nothing-
only to,
It has nothing to do and no connection
I
with the
bow down.
communication of 9th of December
bow down.
2019. The
But-
simple answer should have been that there were no documents except the Aadhaar card and the.
Lordship, because page
Yes.
132 was only an exercise to identify
The court
who
did not-
stays in which unit.
The court did not ask you to provide the specimen copies of the documents, rather the affidavits which were subsequent in point of time.
Lordship,
So then you agree that there were no documents so far as this communication of 9th December 2019.
Lordship,
is
along
concerned.
with this communication at 132, except the Aadhaar card, nothing could have been there.
So that is.
But
your
there
response.
are files available. That exercise was done in
Where
19.
is that?
Lordship, I can put it forward with.
So that you were supposed to put it,
Lordship,
not this.
it is identical. The same exercise was done in 2019 and it was
Yes.
done afresh by the builder in 2021.
Yes,
But the same exercise was done.
Yes.
It is nothing new because there are 3 steps. In short,
so then you should have produced that old exercise, not the new exercise.
Lordship, the reason
Which
for
was
submitting
undertaken
this
by the
is,
private
this is a
parties.
little more
Yes,
meticulously prepared. The
yes,
old exercise,
yes.
there are multitude of documents for each unit holder. So
Yes.
that runs into
We are not concerned with the
hundreds of
multi-
pages per unit holder.
Yes, 100 of pages. No,
If
you
that
wanted
is-
a specimen copy of 1 or
Lordship,
2 documents.
Even
then
that,
is
as
the-
early as tomorrow morning, that specimen can
Yes.
be given. We are in no, our intent is not to suppress that from the
The court
honorable
is
court.
not doubting your intention. The court is only asking that you should have provided the copies of the 2019 and not 2021, July 2021. Place it on record by tomorrow if at all you want to, otherwise the court will start it.
Can I give it to the honorable court at 11 a.m. in the
Yes,
morning?
yes.
Only one unit. I will
Yes.
take one unit with the whole
Only
space.
1 unit and 3 pages, not the bunch
Please,
of
Your
100
Lordship.
more than
So,
100 documents.
Lordship, there are
Yes.
about
Provide a copy to the.
there are
learned
about
advocate in
18 to
advance.
20 pages per unit. If the
Yes.
court permits, then that
Mr.
is the extent
What is the procedure which was adopted by the private party before
in 3 stages.
3 stages?
Stage
Yes,
1 was page 132.
yes.
We
And along with 132, what were the documents which were executed?
identification documents and
Yes.
ownership documents for each unit because till then
Yes.
we don't know who stays where. That's
Yes.
point 1. The next stage is that we identify who of these people at 132 are interested in redevelopment. So we collect documents of those people in the form of
Yes,
consent.
yes.
And the third stage
Yes.
is what I had given to the Honorable Court, which was the final consent in July 2021,
Yes.
because this contains photographs of people
So the
standing in front.
consent was not there at the time in the.
No,
year
it was
2019.
there, sir. Only thereafter can the
So
redevelopment
where is
start.
that consent?
I will give a
Court
specific.
was asking you.
Only one
consent.
unit, I will
Not the
give that specific.
consent in 2021, because the specific case of the corporation is that the whole procedure has been followed by the corporation
Lordship.
and by the private developers. And it is only after following the procedure and after obtaining the consent of all the 442 units, how many units?
440.
448 units.
Lordship,
that
it is
this,
for that
it
reason
was
that
under-
for the, during the whole exercise of bidding also, nobody has approached the court, but I will give that one unit. I will give that one specific.
Only one unit.
Only one.
consent. Yes.
And I will
consent-
try to make it as precise as possible. If it
Yes.
is 5 pages, we will not give a 6th page.
Yes.
Lordship,
This is
Just
to be
one,
withdrawn by you, this compilation.
Lordship.
just one thing, my lords. I'm sure this is for the corporation to explain, my lords, but
Yes.
as far as Mr. Joshi's contention was at page 133 onwards, whatever the list is,
Yes.
we have produced with our reply
Yes.
all those consent letters along with the relevant documents, the supporting documents which are mentioned otherwise at,
Mr.
we understand your lordship's query. I'm not on that.
It is
one.
at 289. Your lordships will see 289. The specimens were there. Some specimens are already there on record.
What is to it?
So
Starts at page 288. If your ladyship may kindly see page 288 just for a minute, my lords. This, I'm just showing one of the specimens. There are others also that we have placed on
What is the
record.
date of this?
I'm sorry, my lords.
What is the date of this?
My lords, unfortunately, I don't have the
There
date
is
of.
no date at all.
Please, my lords. I see that. What I'm trying to indicate, my
You
lords,
have
is
to
that
justify that before.
no,
the
no,
year
corporate. I
2019
am not,
was-
my lords. I'm not. I'm not.
And these photographs are taken by the respondent number 3, 2019 December 2. Respondent number 3.
My
cannot
lords,
carry
what
out
I'm
any
trying to
exercise.
show, what
There
I'm
was the
trying.
work order in 2020. How can we carry out this exercise in 2019?
I'm not saying that, my lords. My contention before your ladyship is that Mr. Joshi had pointed out that independently that exercise is also undertaken by. I'm trying to say that. I'm not trying to justify on behalf of the
Lordship, there are
corporation.
2 exercises. The 2021 exercise in this spiral,
Yes.
which possibly it was a misunderstanding on my part. I have not understood it.
I'm only trying to say
Was
that
the
respond number 3 is
private
independently
developers
taken out.
exercise. Page 132 is the original exercise done by the.
Corporation had
Yes,
undertaken an
sir.
exercise.
Yes, sir.
What was the exercise which has been undertaken?
We
by the
take
corporation?
consents
Yes.
from the people once we identify them at
So
132.
that was at what stage?
That would be at the stage of before the awarding of the contract, before the
So where are
introduction.
those documents?
I will submit that one specimen.
So
In
now
page
we-
82,
yes.
page 82, the contention of corporation is that December
So now
2019.
tomorrow you will be producing on the record the consent which were executed by the unit holders in the year 2019, days before,
After this page 132 exercise.
after
was
page
done.
132. Yes. If at all you have,
Page 132,
yes.
page 82, their contention is that secured consent and survey was carried out in December 2019.
Yes.
That is the contention of the corporation.
So lordship, therefore, I don't know the exact date today. I will be able to show it to the court when I give that specific.
Because everything revolves around that
Tomorrow-
December
Tomorrow
2019.
tomorrow at 2:30.
Please,
230, my lords.
May I
Well-
circulate that document in the morning or shall we wait?
Please do it. Please provide the copy in advance to the learned court officer. Yes. Friday won't be possible. It has to go in the next because it's beyond vacation. There's no urgency.
Because they have passed the jurisdiction power, they
Yes.
have moved theoretical before understanding.